Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make fish with papaya curry. First, take 8 to 10 pieces of any fish. And then add 1 tablespoon salt. Add some water. Mix it and leave it for 10 minutes to reduce the smell and remove the dirt from the fish. After 10 minutes, wash the fish. Peel 1 medium papaya and cut into small pieces. Heat the pan and add 4 to 5 tablespoons oil. 1½ teaspoon garlic. Stir it and cook until it's slightly brown. Add 3 medium onions sliced. Stir it and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 2½ teaspoons salt. Mix it. Add some water. Stir it. Cover the pan for 5 minutes on medium heat. After 5 minutes, add the spices. ½ teaspoon cumin powder. 1 teaspoon curry powder. 2 teaspoons coriander powder. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1½ teaspoon chili powder. Mix it. Add some water. Stir it. Cover the pan for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, continuously stir it and cook until the spices turn brown and separate from the oil. Now add the papaya. Mix it. Add some water. Stir it. And cover the lid for 5 minutes on medium heat. After 5 minutes, add the fish. Mix it. Cover the pan for 10 minutes on medium heat. After 10 minutes, add 2 cups of water. Gently stir it, otherwise the fish can break. Cover the pan for another 10 to 15 minutes, or until the papaya has cooked. Once the papaya has cooked, turn the flame off. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.